Hi y'all, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is doing wonderful today. I'm going to be doing a Boilermaker on this 10 by 10 canvas. I already have my white base paint. The colors I'm going to be using today is Artist Loft Pthalo Blue, DecoArt Dazzling Metallic Crystal Green, and Soho Manganese Blue. Yeah, these are turning into my favorite colors right now. So I already have my shot glass ready. I'm going to start with the Pthalo Blue. And the Crystal Green. And the Soho Manganese Blue. And then one more round. And the Crystal Green. Sorry, it looks so much like emerald. I keep on wanting to call it that. And the Manganese Blue. I'm getting there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the shot glass and we're going to drop it into the base paint. And hopefully I have enough base paint in here to cover the shot glass. Whoop. Looks like I do. Now the fun part with this, so I want to make sure to get it centered, is that you want the shot glass to land straight down on the canvas. And hopefully it did not tip over. I'm going to give that a moment to soak down because I did not add silicone to the cup at all. There's no silicone, but there is silicone in my paints. Now I think on the previous video where I was trying to get the lacing, what I accidentally did was I lifted up my shot glass and there's still paint in it. Instead of going under the white, it just came up over it. So I'm going to need to make sure to leave it down until I hope it's empty. And I don't see but just a little bit of color, so hopefully the shot glass stayed up. Try to bring that base paint back a little bit. Now this is where my problem is. I have a hard time gripping the glass. Oops, that's pink all over it. Uh-oh. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to lift this up a little bit to get that section out and glide it underneath the white paint. There we go. Hopefully that white would go right back over that. Ooh. Might have too much paint in my shot glass. Might be one problem there for the smaller canvas. Alright, so let's give this a torch and let's see if anything pops up. We want to try to get rid of the air bubbles. And we're going to start in the circular motion. That crystal green just comes out. I love it. Okay, going around because I got some paint right there that just does not want to move. Oh, let's bring this back. Bring it over to this corner. And back over to this one. Where's that one going to come up? There we go. Give me a chance to look at this for a moment. That's interesting when the white's trying to lace right here and here. Let's try to give it another torch, see if anything else might want to come up. Looks like I need to get that corner too. Ooh, I'm really loving these colors. There we go. Let's bring it back. I like that piece right there with that blue. That is gorgeous. Let's see what's under. Let's give another torch and see if there's anything under this white. Oh, that's turning interesting. Get a nest of cells there. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes to see if anything else pops up in there. But I really like this. I don't know about that corner though. I don't know if I want to touch it or not. Let's see. No, that's not going to move the way I want it to. Just going to put that back the way it was. Touch up my edge right there. Oh, that's really doing something interesting right there. I'm going to try to bring it back down a little bit. There we go. Alright, like I said, I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes to see what else might pop up. I'll see y'all in a second. Alrighty, it's been about 10 minutes. I am really loving what popped up over here. The only thing I did whenever I turned off the camera was I wiped the bottom edges so it wouldn't continue dripping off. But yeah, I'm liking that lacing there, and that is beautiful. I love how that turned out. And it's like I get two little pockets of cells. I'm really digging those. I really like this one. Still didn't get the complete lacing effect that I wanted. So I think what I need to work on next is not having so much paint in the shot glass and less paint in the base paint also to get that lacing. But I am really loving this painting. I really am. Well, thank y'all for joining me. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up my next video. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.